brand new, no dash. We got the dash. We're gonna pour us in here one old can of whoop ass. Problem is, this machine's all stock. And that X3 over there's got a LaRue tune in it. And the old Polaris is gonna have a hard struggle with the LaRue tune. It's nice out today, nice 11 degrees. Something us Arizona folks aren't really used to doing is playing at 11-degree temperatures. So here are, Andrew's going to get in our new Shop Pro, and we're going to let them warm up outside, get to operating temperature, because they're both brand new, absolutely no miles. They didn't have any gas in them, so we got to put the first amount of gas in these here new machines. This X3 came with no ECU from the factory, there was no dash, and there's no key. This is a LaRue dash, LaRue ECU, and key to make this 2022 RR Smart Shock car to drive. Without our ECU, the customer had no option to even drive his car because there's no way to start it. So with this, we have the unlock of anybody with a Can-Am at the dealership that can't move because they have no ECU. So we have the full unlock of the ECU. So there's nothing that can slow us down. We have flex fuel, launch control. This is not what we come to Nebraska for, a pile of snow. Got the LaRue ECU in there. And we're testing her in the snow. This 2022 X3 RR. Got my dad desk over there beating the new razor, while the customer is lucky enough to let us cuss his machine out because he had no ECU or no dash. So we're gonna give this RR 2022 a test run. Ready? On 3, 1, 2, 3.